This is question 18 from the 2011 AMC10B, and the question reads, rectangle ABCD has AB equals 6 and BC equals 3. So, like this. Point M is chosen on side to AB, such that angle AMD is equal to angle CMD. What is the degree measure of angle AMD? The first thing we can notice is that angle AMD is actually equal to angle MDC over here because of alternate interior angles. This is like the big aha moment of this question, which comes from the fact that AB and CD are parallel and that MD is the transversal. Because of this, we already know that CD equals 6 because that's just how a rectangle works. Because we know that angle CMD and angle CDM are equal, we know that triangle MCD is isosceles, which leads us to realize that triangle CBM is 30, 60, 90. Because we obviously know this is a 90, but we actually see this 3 to 6 ratio. Wait, but you might be thinking, a 30, 60, 90 shouldn't have this thing working here. And you'd be right. That wouldn't make sense if that length was MB, but this length is actually AB. So from here, we know that this angle is 30 degrees, which means angle AMC equals 180 degrees minus 30 degrees equals 150 degrees, and angle AMB equals 150 degrees over 2 equals 75 degrees. That is our answer.